Hi, I'm Sandy Steinman, President of Background Checks Express, your one-stop source for accurate, accessible, and affordable background checking. Today we're going to examine the three classes of criminal records, and if you're an employer, you need to understand these classes in making your hiring decisions. The first and most serious class of criminal records are felonies. Felonies are usually punishable by a jail or prison sentence of 1 year or more, and the sentence can be coupled with some degree of probation. Misdemeanors are less serious offenses, and if a jail term is imposed, it is generally for 1 year or less. It's important to keep in mind, however, state laws can vary on the classification. In other words, what may be a felony in one state is a misdemeanor in another. Many times the difference between a felony and a misdemeanor will depend on how the prosecuting attorney decides to file the charges. These cases that can go either way are known as wobblers. Employers have to rely on their background checking companies to let them know what the level of charges were and how they were arrived at. The final class of criminal records are known as infractions. Infractions are minor offenses which are not punishable by a jail term, such as traffic tickets or disturbing the peace. The information trail of criminal offenses should be followed by competent background checking companies like Background Checks Express, because once one of the local courts makes a ruling, there's a lot of paths the information about a case can take, which can make it very difficult for employers to find out what the real disposition of that case was. And next week we're going to look at the importance of dispositions of criminal cases in making hiring decisions. If you're an employer, I hope you'll follow this series of videos, because what you learn here could well keep you out of court or keep you from hiring the wrong person, and that's our mission. If you have any questions about background checking or the criminal records in general, or want to find out how we can help keep you out of court and out of trouble, just feel free to call me at 844-SCREEN-NOW. That's 844-727-3366. Or email me at sandy@backgroundchecksexpress.com. In the meanwhile, be safe, hire safe, and I'll see you in the next video.